We attended the Passholder Appreciation Days at Universal Studios. Yes, there are 1,000 videos about Universal Studios' 60th anniversary on the internet and the studio tour. So I'm just going to go and show you the highlights with no talking. Please enjoy. And if you have any questions about Universal Studios Hollywood, let us know in the comments section as we go there twice a month or more. And don't forget to subscribe for more content and special features.
As you board the tram, please take any available seat. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please proceed to any...
Right here by picking up my house.
The world famous studio tour. I know you're thinking, why the tough? Well, we're celebrating our 60th anniversary. That's right, 60 years of glitz, glamour, and our own great white shark. As we celebrate our diamond anniversary today, we'll pay tribute to Universal's past and take you behind the scenes to discover why this studio tour is world famous. So whether this is your first visit or your 60th, get ready for fun, excitement, and an experience like no other.
Thank you, Jimmy. Officially in the movie studio, the largest and oldest in California. And right now we're passing down our Universal timeline to show some of our over 8,000 feature films we have made since I opened our doors. And here's some footage from our opening day ceremony. March 15th, 1915, that's the day when our founder, Carl Lemley, did the unique thing and allowed audiences to come into his studio to watch the silent films being made. People would walk set to set and marvel at the technology involved in filmmaking. Our tours went on up until, well, we invented audio and had to manage our sound, and we had to be quiet on set. So we had to stop our tours momentarily until the 60s when we brought it back when we had Greyhound buses that were making stops outside of our studio. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about Universal City because we're going to see a lot of sets, a lot of props, but this is not one of them right here. This is a real fire station. Fire Station 51 with real firefighters.
Today, this is one of the most popular sets on the Universal Studio Tour.
We had a lot of fun making those films here on the lot. I wonder what it'd be like to go back to those days. If only we had a time machine.
Hey everybody, do you think we can get this tram up to 88 miles per hour? See you in the future.
Yes, my friends, this is the Courthouse Square, most notably from Back to the Future. But this was called Courthouse Square originally for a lot of courtroom dramas that were filmed here back in the black and white days of Hollywood. And it was first made famous for To Kill a Mockingbird. This is a courthouse where Gregory Peck defended his client in the snow-capped town of Kingston Falls instead of a plane shot that swept high over that tree. And then also, this is where the very first episode of The Twilight Zone was filmed. But now, we're going to where the action happens here in the metropolitan sense. This is New York Street. I'll give you a couple examples. Well, first I'll tell you, if you have any Swiftie fans, that theater right there where she filmed her music video, Wildest Dreams, she filmed that pretty recently. But a little bit ago, we've had so many things here. Captain America, the very first Avenger, it's 1920s New York when he first gets his superpowered serum and he's running after the bad guys. He was on that right here on New York Street. When Shia LaBeouf came and he was running from the Decepticons with the All-Star, he was doing that right here on New York Street. Andrew Garfield did all of his shooting scenes for the Amazing Spider-Man right here with the Queen on our New York Street. Also, we had Tobey Maguire Spider-Man as well. When he was late for the Importance of Being Earnest, the play that Mary Jane Watson was in, he was waiting outside the theater, and he was doing that right over here. And this black and gold cafe that we're seeing as we round this corner right now, that is from Spider-Man 2 when Dr. Octavius threw a car at Peter Parker when he was trying to hunt down Spider-Man. He did it right there. They had to rebuild that diner 9 times to get that shot. They had to throw 9 different cars through there, believe it or not.
Thank you.
all out of me on. Yeah, so you can still check out his banana breath if you ride the minion track. He's so bad that go on there. But now it's time for us to check out our monster mural. This amazing work of art was created by one man and one man alone. His name is Tristan Eaton, and he did this with nothing but a spray can of many different colors and a lot of time.
Instrumental part of the process is
Water tank. And that's where we filmed some underwater scenes. If you ever see anybody where the camera is underwater with them, there's actually just a hatch that we can open up that has plexiglass in it, and then we can look through and see somebody underwater. So it's kind of cool. And then speaking of water, right on the other side here, we have our other sound stages here. We've been filming across there for a couple of years. Also, if you Jordan Peele fans, we filmed the scene from Nope. Special effects here inside of one of our sound stages. Now, let me set the scene for you folks, all right? We're in San Francisco. We're in the subway for some reason. We don't know the subway. And we've seen some tremors happening recently. I think I just felt one. There may be an earthquake coming, folks. Oh no. And it might just be the big one. Oh no. Now, hang on, folks. I want you to be advised we will experience some sudden trend movements right here. So if you got anything that's loose in the pockets, maybe make it not so loose. You got about 5 seconds to do it. Welcome to Earthquake. Just survive Earth together. And what do you get, folks? Oh, you know. You get some heat wave every time. Go ahead, take it. Oh, me, Now, this is one of the oldest attractions we have on our Universal tour. It's so old, in fact, we like to let it run for too long. Sometimes the whole system kind of overflows. And, so maybe we go ahead and turn that valve off. Yeah, that valve. Oh, it's not working. Oh, no. Looks like I spoke too late. Mark 3, you might want to lift up your feet. Here it comes. The Black Blood.